Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're doing a wall sit, which is a very versatile lower body exercise. It's great for beginners who maybe can't quite do a full squat, but also good for athletes who are concerned with tendon and joint health, also people with knee pain, and anybody who is interested in doing a lower body endurance workout. And the best part is the only equipment you need is a wall, so let's get started. First, I'm going to press my back and my hips into the wall. My feet are going to be shoulder width apart with my toes and my knees both pointed straight ahead. From here, I'm going to walk my feet forward while I'm lowering myself down, and the goal is to get to being my thighs parallel to the ground. From here, I can just put my hands on my hips. You can put your hands on your thighs, but that's going to make it a little bit easier. So for now, we're going to keep our hands on our hips and squeezing our abs. Now we're just going to hold this position, and for now time you hold it is going to be based on your ability. So for many people, you might want to hold it for as long as you can, or if you're working into a program, you might want to hold it for anywhere between 30 and 60 seconds, depending on what you're doing, what your goals are. So from here, let's go ahead and switch to the side view so you can see my hips and my knees. All right, so here you can see I'm keeping my thighs parallel to the ground, which keeps my knees and my hips at a 90-degree angle, and my back flat against the wall. So the benefit of this here is you can see that my knees are staying behind my toes. So this is going to allow people who have knee pain to work those quads without putting too much stress on the knee. Now, if this position is too difficult, you can kind of brace with your hands a little bit, but you can also just raise your body up a little bit higher. So this is going to allow you to still work, but it's going to be a little bit easier. And then as you get stronger, you can slowly work your way down back to that parallel position. From here, we're going to hold it for whatever your workout is planned for, and then at this point you want to stand up to finish. So you always want to finish strong standing up. The reason we don't want to sit down from here to finish is because it kind of really puts us at a weird angle, kind of awkward, and puts maybe some pressure on our knees. So we always, after we're done, want to finish strong. All right, so let's recap. We're going to start with our back pressed up against the wall. Our feet are going to be at shoulder width apart with our knees and our toes both pointed straight ahead. From here, we're going to lower ourselves down until our hips and our knees are both at a 90-degree angle, and we're going to hold that position for as long as we can. And then we want to make sure that we finish always standing up tall. Thank you so much for watching. Give the wall sit a try and let me know what you think about them in the comments. If you like this video or you learned something, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you next time.